Welcome to our page. The first thing I want you to know is that somebody felt that it was important to send this page to you because they care about you and they want to help you make money online. Now, the way you operate this page is through our steps down here. And what we're going to do is walk you through these steps so that you can make this work for you. Step 1 is to copy your sponsor's ID from the status above. That would be this ID right here. Now I'm going to copy that over and I'm going to open up a notepad, show you just how to do this, and we're going to paste it in here. All right, so that is your sponsor. Later on, I'm going to put all the different sponsors and their email addresses and everything into a separate page that you can look at. You can find your page and you can email your sponsor. Okay, now step 2, and if you are a member of my affiliate program already, you can skip all of these steps in here. If you don't see your sponsor's username in there, well, you can just use Tom Howard, TOMHOWARD, and that's used in the second menu here because those are programs outside of ClickBank that we use. Okay, step number 2, join our Telegram group in Telegram system. If you don't have Telegram, you can download it, and then you can click on this once it's downloaded and it'll take you right into the group. And it's free, so don't worry about that. Step 3, join Market Any Link for free. And I'm going to click on that in a new page. It was a little bit, but as you can see, of Facebook is really pretty bad to things in. Their browser doesn't work well. How to promote any alternate offer without paid ads. Do that is you just click here and it puts you into the people's pages. Not necessarily your sponsor because these are all on rotators. Okay, I've got this Market Any Link on rotator. I've got join virtual vending machines on a rotator as well. But if you partner with Tom, that costs $7 and it goes right to the order page to partner with Tom. One thing that I will tell you right now that'll help you make a determination if you want to do that is this menu right here. If you pull this menu down, you find a number of different products within this menu. All those products cost cost $7. So, and all of those products, you can join my Partner with Tom program for $7, and you will get access to every one of the products in this menu when you do that. So it's not just for partnering with me, it's getting access to all of these programs in there. Easy ebook money, instant cash magnet, 10-step video course, all the way down the line in here. And there's some other things in here because you can actually partner with me there. You can start here. That is a program that actually runs pretty much like I wanted my program to run, but I am not capable of making memberships sites and things like that. So that would be a good one for you to join. And you can join that one, I believe, for free, though. Our ebook you can download, The Abundance Network. That's the coaching and the Telegram system. And then all of these different programs down here. Laws of Success, Viral Tornado, Millionaires, Letter to His Sons, etc. So, not to bore you, I'm going to tell you now that if you click on this, it's going to take you to a order form for your actual to put your information in there. You get one email delivered to you from that autoresponder, and that email has basically everything that we offer in our program as well on it. So you watch your inbox, confirm your email address after you entered it in, and then and here's a little bit more information, and you can do the same thing here as you do here. So the alternate page right here is basically this page over here, and you can do everything that you can do on that page with the menu and everything. It just explains why we're using email marketing and everything here, and it's got the email profit cycle. Click here, and then that is the click here for menu 2. When you go to that page, you get an instructional page with all of the programs in the menu down here. And I will demonstrate how that works. When you click on that one there, you're going to bring up your sponsor's name, and if this was I'll put it in here, and it is Tom Howard. We will copy that and we'll put it in the browser. I'm going to open a new window and paste it into that browser there. And look at that. I'm going to show you how to make more money on the internet. This is the Millionaire Society. And your sponsor would get credit for it because you use their link from here. All right? Now, if that hasn't given you all the information about our page, I don't know what will. And you've got a video that you can watch of Bone Rodriguez's virtual vending machines down here. So you can join me for $7. You can get a full business started with our pages and everything for $14. And if you've only got $7 to work with, well, I would suggest that you choose one of these and get started in the program. And then when you make enough money, you can, or you save enough money, you can join the other one as well. But these work really good together because of this page right here that you're on right now. So thank you.